Hey guys, Richard here for the School of Nomads. So in this review I want to talk to you about a product called Instant Guru. Now in a nutshell, this is exactly the same product as Clickbank. So this is going to be quite an easy review for me to do because I actually reviewed this exact same product about 3 weeks ago and it's called Clickbank. It's the same interface, it's the same dashboard, and I'm going to give you the same review. So stick around. In a nutshell, this is a website creation software that allows you to create websites using other people's content and also add reviews from sites like Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, and that's the only difference between the two products. So this is due to be released on Thursday, the 23rd of July at 11 AM Eastern. Comes off the Warrior Plus network and the vendor is Dan Green. So we'll go through the product. I'll take you through the members area. We'll have a quick look at the sales page, although the sales page isn't actually finished yet, so I won't go into that in too much depth. I'll talk you through the upgrades, I'll tell you what's good about the product and what's not so good about the product, and then we'll finish off with my summary. Now, guys, as usual, these reviews are based on my own opinion, having spent many years online buying products just like this one, understanding what works to make money online and what doesn't. The idea of these reviews is that you can make a more informed decision before you go ahead and buy any kind of software online. So just before we start, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release my new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So guys, here's the sales page. Now basically this is Clickbank, and all they've done is taken away the Clickbank portion and they're adding JV Zoo and Warrior Plus products instead. So it's exactly the same issues, exactly the same things that I'm going to talk about, but we'll go through this so that you understand my point of view and you can kind of take it and leave it. So as far as the sales page is concerned, done for you site creation, just one click to create an entire affiliate marketing authority site, done for you 100% original content. I'm going to discuss all of these points in more detail. Done for you monetization with regular reviews of the top converting JV Zoo, Warrior Plus products each week. Done for you search traffic. You rank higher and higher on Google automatically every day. Become an instant internet marketing guru and start making JV Zoo and Warrior Plus commissions all with one click. Everything's one click. And 100% newbie friendly, no complicated setup with one click. Now this is the Instant Guru dashboard. Now this is obviously exactly the same as Clickbank. I've got access to Clickbank as well, and it's the same product. The only difference is the reviews that they'll give you, if they're going to give you any in the upgrades, are actually not Clickbank reviews, they're JV Zoo or Warrior Plus reviews, and they're being done by somebody else. So again, that's problematic because why are you letting other people do reviews on products? Do it yourself. If you want to build a business online, don't let other people do reviews on products and try and sell them based on their reviews. It's not a very good way to kind of build a business. So I'm going to put that aside now. That's obviously this is a cut and paste website and you have the same issues. So on the left hand side here, you've got a dashboard that just shows you all the latest posts. These are all scheduled posts. You've got some settings there around your general settings, some bonuses here, some tutorials here, and then all of these are the various parts of your website. There's two parts to this. You can either manually create content or you can automatically create content. If you automatically create content, you need to come to the content sourcing tab and you need to put RS feeds in of various people's blogs and sites so that you can go ahead and take their content, which is one big issue. Because if you start taking people's content, you immediately run the risk of a copyright strike, and Google will know you've taken duplicate content anyway, will not rank anything that you put on your site. And the idea is that if you have content that's fresh along with your reviews, that kind of content will bring people to your site. That's the idea, is to have this content with the reviews, create an SEO that Google will like, search engine optimization that Google will like, and then people will come along to your site. But I'm going to show you why this is fundamentally flawed. So there's the actual sources of this particular content that's coming into this site at the moment, and you can put whatever you want on there. And when we go to the site, I'll show you what it looks like. You can add posts. You could go to a section here, you just go ahead and add posts. Now once you have these posts that you can come along here and have a look at, you need to actually spin them. And then this is the content spinning feature where you can add words and once you spin the posts, apparently they'll be yours now and you can go ahead and use them. But again, spun posts usually look very odd. That's the actual spinner they've got. Here's your reviews. You can go ahead and add manual reviews, or they're going to have some automated ones, which is someone on YouTube, and they're going to be posting their reviews in here. You can add ads and opt-in forms to this site. You can add various pages to the site. There is a layout function here, although it's very, very simple. At the end of the day, you've just got a logo, a home banner, which is the name, a banner description. There is some like overall themes. You have a homepage background that you can put on, and then you can save it. And that's really all you can do with the site. So basic. Some configuration here, which is basically just all of your Warrior Plus IDs and JVZoo IDs for when you have any kind of links, and then you have the view live here. So this is what the site looks like, and if you're anything like me, you think this looks a complete mess. Everything's squished in, nothing's been sized correctly, everything looks a complete mess on here. So this is the site that you would be producing, because there's no control over how big these images are going to come in. There's no control over what kind of information is going to be coming in here, because this is all automated, and you're going to spend half your life cleaning this up. So this is very, very low quality. The other issue is if I come along here and I say, okay then, so you are ranking me for this particular keyword. So the ultimate guide to freelancing writing jobs, I should be able to see now on Google if this is so good at ranking, which is one of the main selling points. Now this is actually part of the Instant Guru app, which is the site that you're actually producing. So apparently you can actually also put this on your own domain. So I'm going to go onto this article and show you this article, and we're going to see if this is actually ranking anywhere. So again, look at that. I can't see anything up here. Let's click onto that article again. It didn't go onto the article. See, it's not even clicking onto that article properly. You're going to have people coming over here and they're supposed to be buying stuff off you. And go back. Install Google Tag Manager and optimize your site results. Let's go over to that one. Again, look at that image there. Look at this. Everything's squished in. All these images as well, you don't know if they're copyrighted. You can always spin text, even if it doesn't sound right when you read it. But look at this, the way this is formatted. You don't know whether any of these images are copyrighted, because you can't spin an image, can you? So again, big flags all over the place here. I'm not going to labour this point. These are very, very low quality websites. The information you pull in is from somebody else's website that you're going to go ahead and spin, and the images, you've got no idea whether you are or aren't allowed to use them, and Google will not rank this site anywhere because there's 1 billion sites out there. Why should it come along and rank yours based on what SEO that you've got here? It's not going to rank. Therefore you won't get any traffic, and therefore you won't get any sales on your affiliate links. So guys, I jumped over to the sales page very quickly. Really the only thing I'm interested in is if there's a guarantee here. So there's a 30-day money back guarantee, and it's just the same stuff. Click, everything's going to work for you. Lots of traffic, 100% done for you. They rank themselves, and you'll be able to bank commissions with no work. And in my humble opinion, you're not going to get any commissions by using this low quality site. Just go and build one yourself. Go to WordPress, get a site, start writing articles, start producing video reviews of your own, and you'll start getting affiliate sales. This is not going to help you do it. So guys, jumped over to the upgrades now. Front end is $19.90. That only allows you to build one site. OTO 1 is a pro version, $67. Allows you to build unlimited sites. OTO 2, the daily profits is $29.90. That allows you to also do reviews on Amazon type products as well. OTO 3 is done for you, $197. They set the site up for you. OTO 4 is some advanced training, $29. OTO 5 is the agency license, $197. You can use the software on client sites. And OTO 6 is a white label version at $497.90. So guys, the pros, the software works, but I think it's very, very low quality, so it's not a great pro. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee. And the cons, you're not going to get traffic from this, guys. It's just so low quality. There's no SEO effect here. Google know about all of this spin content, and it just de-rank your site all over the place. You don't know if you're using copyright material. You may be able to spin the content and make that your unique, but it's very unlikely that it's not going to get seen. and the images that get brought across as well, they're definitely not going to be allowed to be used. You could be bringing all sorts of images over that are not free to use. I think this is going to be low quality spun content. Anything around how much you can earn with this as far as the value of this product is not going to be true. And what's the business here? Is your business going to be that you create a website, steal other people's content, spin it, add other people's reviews to your website, and then try and make the odd affiliate sale? Is that your business? I don't think it's the very good way to do it. And as I mentioned, all you need to do is actually build your own website, put your own content in the website, develop your own videos, and then you can go ahead and make those affiliate sales in a much more sustained way. So guys, this is a typically shiny object aimed at beginners. There's no traffic, so that means no sales. I'm going to give it 2 out of 10. So guys, thanks for watching. Again, that review is based on my own opinion and really my own experience, having bought sites like this before, where the big issue with them fundamentally is you won't get hardly any traffic to that website. So you're not going to make hardly any sales, so it's not really a business. My name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I publish new videos. I don't only produce reviews, I also publish many types of tutorial type videos where I explain exactly how I make money online. So if you have got a second just to go ahead and hit that subscribe, hopefully you'll get some benefit from it. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time guys, take care.